What's up, YouTube family? This is Jeff with a little bit of Everything Home Services, coming to you another video. I figured I would just take a moment to shoot this video that it could possibly help somebody else. I was in a position where my trailer broke down. Not broke down, but I had a flat tire, right? So I had a flat tire and I had a spare, but it was at the house and I yet to mount it onto the trailer, and I bought a mount like a year ago. And I just never got around to it. And then, so finally when I went to go put it on, I said I didn't want to be in this predicament again. The instructions were horrible. So I said, I'm going to get out here and I'm going to sweat it out. So therefore, I figured I would just kind of show you how to do it right quick. Just in case you want to do it. And maybe it won't take you as long because you have a more clear-cut direction. Okay, so this is the spare tire that's mounted. So when you get the kit, looking closely here, there are 4 bolts. See how you have it? I have it mounted on the side of the tongue here with the other piece extending out. And then you have the brackets on the back. So it's mounted at the top and at the bottom. And let's get a clearer picture there so you can see that. You see that, how that's mounted? And I figured looking at that, you can kind of tell how it's supposed to go. Now, another piece of the puzzle are these little brackets, the security brackets. So the security brackets actually turn. That's how you get them on there. You turn them on there, and you get them secure, and then you can lock them down. And once you put a lock on them, no one can turn it. You know, so. That's what I'm going to do. I have an extra lock on hand. There you go. So now my spare tire is secure, locked down. No one can mess with it. And I just figured I would just take a minute and shoot this quick video on how to mount this bracket. And this bought it from Northern Tools. And that's what it looked like. And like I said, the directions are terrible, guys. So the directions are terrible. So overall, I hope this video helped you. I want to thank you for taking a moment to check out the video. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. All right, YouTube family, I'll talk to you later. Have a blessed day.